Good morning, children. Chandini Views welcomes you all for the wonderful online class. Today we are going to see the class second subject EVS. What is meant by EVS? EVS means environmental science. In environmental science, we are going to see the subject social. Lesson number 1 and the topic is recreation. Children, do you know what is meant by recreation? No problem. I will tell you what is meant by recreation. Recreation means enjoying yourself and relaxing when we are not at work. It gives us a better enjoyment. What do you see on the screen? Yes, his name is Noddy. Let's see what Noddy is going to tell to us. And we have also seen this image in our television in a Cartoon Network channel. Let's see what he is going to tell with us. Hi, children. How are you? Hope you are all fine with your good health. Do you know my name? Yes. Your name is Noddy. Yes, you're right. My name is Noddy. Are you happy to see me today? Yes, we are very happy to see you today. Thank you. Do you know why do I come here today? No, Nodi, I don't know. Any guesses? Hmm, I really don't know, Nodi. No problem, I will tell you. I came to share you what are all the things I will do when I feel disgust. What is meant by disgust here? It means not liking or approving of somebody. We feel very bored enough or we feel very strong feeling of disliking and disapproval is known as disgust. If I do heavy work, I get mentally and physically tired. At that time, what I will do means I will share with you. Are you ready to hear? Now we can see the audio and images first. Listen carefully and have fun.
We cannot spend all our time working and studying. We would get tired and even bored at times. So we need to do things to keep us happy. We need to do things to enjoy ourselves. That is why we need to spend time taking part in recreational activities during our free or leisure time. Here are some indoor recreational activities that we can enjoy. We can read storybooks. We can play indoor games such as Ludo, Carrom, chess. We can listen to music. We can paint or draw pictures. We can watch television. We can dance and sing. Which of these is your favorite indoor activity? Here are some outdoor recreational activities that we can enjoy. We can play outdoor sports such as football, hockey, cricket, basketball, and volleyball. We can go for swimming. We can visit places such as museums, exhibitions, and the zoo. We can visit old age homes and cheer up the elderly people there. We can play in the park. Which of these is your favorite outdoor activity? Can we do these activities inside the house? Why not?
So children, by this video, what we came to know is recreation refers to all those activities that people choose to do refreshment their bodies and mind and make their leisure time more interesting and enjoyable. We have also seen some recreation activities in this video like playing games, reading, meditation, dancing, walking, swimming, and like outdoor games and indoor games. So I would like to recommend you to do these things when you are getting free time. Hope you enjoyed this audio. Now I will tell you what I will do to become fresh again. I need some entertainment or enjoyment. This is called recreation. Recreation is mainly referred to enjoyment or entertainment. Now, let's see what types of entertainment I will do. I will tell you briefly. Before going to the class, I need to share you one thing. First, we can see the games which I will play. I will play both the indoor and outdoor games. What is meant by indoor games? Indoor games means the game which we play inside the house is known as the indoor games. And what is meant by outdoor games? Outdoor games means the game where we play outside the house like in a ground is known as the outdoor games. It gives me recreation beside health and strength. It gives me unity and discipline. Come, let's play the games now. We can see the outdoor games first. Are you ready to hear, children? First, we can see about the carom board. Carom board is made up of a wooden board which contains 18 coins, 9 black coins and 9 white coins and 1 red coin. The red coin is termed as queen coin. This carom board gives us a benefit like it helps to improve the analytical skill and it helps to focus our mind and sharpen our mind. So I would like to recommend to play the carom board. Next, we can see about the chessboard. In chessboard, there are 64 squares. We can see in a chessboard, there will be a black and white square box is present on a chessboard. So in chessboard, we have 6 different types of chess pieces. Each side starts with 16 pieces. It means the black coin will be 16 pieces and the white coin will have a 16 pieces. In this 16 pieces, it also included like king, queen, soldier, etc. So playing this chessboard gives us very beneficial things like it improves our memory, deepens our focus, and it boosts our planning skill. Mainly, it helps to increase our self-confidence. So I would recommend you to play the chessboard when you get a time. Okay, children. Next, we can see the table tennis. What does mean by table tennis? Do you heard about this game? Yes, this table tennis plays with a 2 or 4 players with one small lightweighted ball with 2 small bats. This table tennis will be played in an indoor game with the help of this table tennis board. And the next image represents the Ludo. Children, do you play this game? This game is known as Ludo and similarly known as the snake and a ladder. The snake and a ladder game is a traditional board game. We have played in a centuries ago. This Ludo game is a traditional board game where 2 or 4 players can also play this game at one time with a moving a dice on this board. So when you are getting time, play this game with your parents. Okay, children? These are all the indoor games. There are many indoor games. Now we can see about the outdoor games. The first outdoor game is cricket. The cricket game is very familiarly known by us. There will be 11 players in a ground to play this game. So this cricket game will also played by us with your friends in your ground. Okay, children? The next thing is throw ball, volleyball, football, tennis, etc. So these are all the outdoor games we can play outside our house, not in the house. These games can be played in a ground or in a stadium. Times I will hear radio. Let's hear the radio music now. What a pleasant music is, no? So hearing music gives you a refreshment. I would like to recommend you to hear music whenever you get depressed. After hearing the music, dramas, songs, it gives me recreation. Hearing the music, drama, song will also make our body and ourselves enjoyment at that moment. Sometimes I even watch television. What does mean by television, children? The television is a board where we can see the programs. It is an excellent way of recreation to million people for watching the television. It gives both sound and picture. I can watch music, programs, movies, sports, news, etc. on the television. Let's see the TV now. Wow, what a picture we are seeing on the screen. It is not good to watch television or hear radio continuously for a long time. It is not a good thing to watch too much time and or to spend too much time in a television and hearing the music in a radio. It affects your eyes and also our valuable time will be wasted. Seeing too much of television at a single time, it may affect our eyes. So you can watch the television and don't watch it for a long time. Okay, children? So I request you to watch only the good programs. Sometimes I used to read magazines with my friends. Those magazines specially published for children like Chanda Mama, comics, or the examples of magazines. We can read the magazines now. Reading magazines will build your knowledge and build your memory power much more stronger, and it gives you a good thing, and it will also improve your vocabulary skills. So reading magazine is very important and very good thing in your life. So children, please do read the magazine when you were getting valuable time. Use the magazines at that time. Sometimes I used to go for public places like picnics, zoo, parks, beach, celebrations, etc. When I go for picnic, I see different historical and beautiful places. What does mean by historical here? Historical means the historical places like palace or historical temples, etc. is referred as a historical. Okay. This picture represents the picnics. A boy and a father with their entire family came for a picnic to recreate themselves, and they spend a valuable time with their children. So this is a picture of a picnic. You can also go with your parents. Okay, children? When I go to zoo, I used to see many types of animals. This picture represents the zoo. There are many animals like giraffe, camel, elephants, kangaroo, parrot, etc. when you are getting time to go for zoo, please go to the zoo. There are many different kinds of animals like birds and huge animals like elephant, rhinoceros, etc. You can see those images and you can see those animals at the site. When I go to park, I play with my friends. So this picture represents the name as a park. We go to park to play with our friends and we will be having some enjoyment time with our friends. When I go to beach, I feel pleasant while sitting in the sand and watching the movements of waves in the shore. Beach. When we are in a beach, we will be having a sand and a ocean water. When the ocean water touches us, we will be getting a enjoyment that will be coming under our stomach. Is really a pleasant thing. When you're getting a time, please go for a beaches. Like you can go to Chennai, there is a Marina Beach. It is a very famous beach. If you get a time, please go and have a valuable time with your parents. I used to go to my friends' birthday celebrations. It gives me happiness. Birthday party is one of the very biggest party to the every children. So your party or your friend's party, if you get time or if somebody invites you to the birthday party, please do go and visit there. It is a very beautiful thing that we were ever seen in our life. We get recreation by celebrating these festivals. I love celebrating all the religious festivals. I will tell you one by one. First, the Hindu religious festival. Diwali, Dasara and Shankarati. So Diwali festival is celebrated by bursting the cracker. Shankarati will be celebrated by playing a kite on a sky. And Dasara is celebrated in Bangalore. This festival is one of the very famous festival for the Karnataka region. These are all the Hindu festivals. Next, the Muslim festival. Ramzan. Ramzan is one of the best festival for Muslim. Used to celebrate in the day by seeing the moon. Christian festival. Christmas. Christmas is a really a very fantastic festival. Like we will be placing a Christmas tree and the Santa Claus will be giving us a gift at that Christmas day. So celebration of these festivals gives you a recreation. These are all the uh, Hindu religious, Muslim religious, and Christian religious festival. There are some national festivals we used to celebrate in our school. I will tell you what are all the national festivals: Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Children's Day, and Republic Day. So the first image represents the Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on August 15th, and the next image represents the Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2nd, and the next image represents the Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14th, and the last image represents the Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26th. Celebrating our school anniversary also makes us to feel a better recreation. Annual day is celebrated in every school at the end of the year by playing a drama, dancing, etc. It gives a very enjoyment time at that moment. In your school, you will perform dramas and dance programs in the stage. These are all called as recreations. People or children used to keep them happy when they do such kind of things. When you do such kind of things, you will be feeling very happy at that time and it will be making you from a very depressed time. It makes you to recover at that time. Hope you enjoyed this recreation. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts, children? So in this lesson, we have seen what is meant by recreation and what is meant by indoor and outdoor games. And we also seen some festivals which is celebrated in religious festivals and also the national festivals and the celebrations like birthday party and annual day festival, annual day celebrations and etc. So these things make us at the moment of enjoyment and these things will also help us to have a moment of recreation. Hope you understood and enjoyed this class. See you in the next class. Until then, keep revising them again and again. Bye. Take care. Thank you.